Bye.
Are you gonna have time to talk to Doug about the race today?
I'm in trouble, man.
What's going on?
I don't have a job since like an hour ago. We got an eviction notice this morning. If I don't pay in a few days, we're gonna be on the street.
You know what you need? You need to get a little intoxicated with a buddy of yours.
All right, for just a little bit.
Hey, Craig, these guys want to buy on the next round, man.
I'm Colin. This is my wife, Violet. It's Violet's birthday today, so we thought we'd go out on the town, get a little crazy. Violet and I came up with this idea for an awesome night.
What do we have to do?
Whichever of you fellas does this shot first gets $50. Boom.
Wait, what?
Oh! Meanwhile, wait, what? I'll give you $200 whoever touches that stripper with a slap.
Hey, you the one hit one of our girls?
No, swear to God.
$500 if you hit him first. You will never forget this night.
1, 2, 3.
All right. Even if you never see us again, you will never forget us. I think that's awesome.
Yeah! Give him a yeah!
This money's for us.
You gotta win it.
Okay.
$800, whoever can get inside their house.
This is breaking and entering.
Just come home.
What are we doing next, huh?
Cut your pinky off.
What?
Just have to do whatever we say.
I will knock you out.
Cool it! Let's rewind. Guys, all right, so we're cool.
We're cool.
Let's push play. $25,000. It's your pinky. You use it for, like, nothing.
I'll do it.
What about me? I don't make that much money.
21.
18.
$15,000.
Are you crazy, man?
I need that money for my family.
Do it, Fitz.
1, 2, 3.
What's next?
$50,000. 3, 2, 1, go.
Let me tell you this, no matter how much money's in that box, I am not sucking his...
I can email these to you later.